Light. They're all in line. And they're off. And Hope to Dance was very fast from the inside gate, and she quickly heads off for the lead. Navarre Light came out in the second spot. Sea Birdie is just to her inside. Then it's a break of 4 lengths back. Go Fly a Kite just inside of Wild Dust. And Let's Ring the Bell is the trailer as the six-pack moves up the backstretch run. Hope to Dance and Tino Hernandez show the way, and they fly up to the half-mile mark with about a 5-length lead right now. Sea Birdie is into the second spot. Navarre Light is just alongside of her. Then a break of 3.5 back. We come to Go Fly a Kite inside of Wild Dust. And Let's Ring the Bell remains the trailer, strung out over about 14 lengths behind Hope to Dance as they round the far turn. Hope to Dance still with a big lead. It's about 4 lengths right now. Sea Birdie and Navarre Light are slowly bridging the gap, though, and they're gaining now on Hope to Dance with a quarter mile out. It's Hope to Dance in front, but the field is slowly gaining on her. The lead is only about 3. Navarre Light, Sea Birdie out after that one. Then we come back to Wild Dust. The others are far back. Hope to Dance still with a clear lead as they come past the furlong pole. Hope to Dance, something in reserve. She's still powering away down to the 16th mark. It's Hope to Dance in front. Sea Birdie not gaining ground anymore. Hope to Dance takes them all the way today. Sea Birdie second, Navarre Light and Wild Dust.